with a rise in the number of cases daily throughout the country and West Bengal, the need of the hour is beds and facilities where COVID patients can be treated. We are here at Don Bosco School Park Circus in Kolkata, where a part of the building, a part of the educational institution has been turned into a COVID care facility. We are here with Father Bikash Mondal, Principal and Rector of Don Bosco Park Circus, and we would like to just speak to him. Father, firstly, coming to you, Don Bosco Park Circus is known for doing a lot of philanthropic work. What made you come to this conclusion that something has to be done in the COVID situation as well?
See, during this pandemic from last year onwards, everyone is concerned about the health especially. And we running a big school here, my concern was mainly, or primarily rather, health of my teachers, the employees, then the extended family, that is students, parents, and also the past peoples. So keeping all this in mind, I thought maybe when there is a scarcity of beds in hospitals and everybody is looking for, and also poor people who cannot afford to spend so much of money going to big hospitals, we in connection or with the association of some of my friends, some doctors who are parents, some doctors who are also past peoples, we came together and meet with this idea, and then we got into this, and I was quite happy that we were able to provide this facility, this space for this purpose.
Since when have this facility started, Father?
It's just I think 2 weeks ago.
The COVID ward as well?
Yeah, COVID ward as well.
So this is the part of the building behind us where the patients are being kept, right?
Yes, there are 30 beds here, and patients will be given all the care. The doctors will tell you exactly what it is.
If I'm not wrong, in Kolkata itself, Don Bosco is the first school where this kind of a service has started.
I think so.
Yes. So, do you think more schools, irrespective of government or private, should come up to help the people in this particular situation with these facilities as such?
Yeah, I definitely feel that, because now the schools are closed and indefinitely, no one knows when it's going to reopen. At the same time, this is the need of the time. So even the schools have got space, so they should come forward and offer this facility for the needy people.
Do you plan to extend the number of beds as well?
Sure. In case we need, if you need to extend, we shall surely extend.
Thank you, Father. That was Father Bikash Mondal, Principal and Rector of Don Bosco School Park Circus. With us, we also have Dr. Atanu Saha. Sir, I would just like to ask you, how safe is it to convert a school or an education institute into a COVID facility ward or use a particular part of it?
Well, this was our primary concern before we approached Father Bikash Mondal. For that reason, I think we sat together, both of us had a discussion. We thought that a particular wing, which is sort of separate from the entire school, it was decided the nursery, the KG section, which is sort of a bit the extended L. So we sort of converted that ward into a hospital facility. Now, for that reason, what we did was, there was a sort of a door, we sort of sealed it totally. So there will be no access out from that wing to the main building. So in that way, if we sort of restrict that area and sort of not allow anyone from outside to get inside, I think we should be pretty safe.
So what are the facilities that the COVID care facility over here are being provided to these people who will be coming over here?
Well, first of all, it's a 30-bedded facility that we are starting off. Each bed will have its individual oxygen supply. We have 24/7 healthcare workers who are going to sort of take care of the patient. Then we have the nurses, trained nurses who are sort of be on site 24/7 to take care of the patients. Our main USP is that, considering the status, considering the number of facilities which is coming up, we thought that we should be having on-site doctors, because as we know, COVID patients can deteriorate suddenly. For that reason, you need to have qualified doctors on site who could be sort of picking up the symptoms, picking up the falling oxygen level, and sort of immediately refer the patients to a higher center. For that reason, we had an extensive discussion among ourselves, and we made it a point that we are having 24/7 on-site doctors. Apart from that, there will be a consultant who will be sort of in charge of the patient. They will be paying a physical visit twice a day to make sure everything is in order.
How expensive will this service be, like for the patient?
See, approximately we have chalked it out around 2,000 to 2,500 rupees per bed, and this will include all the basic COVID medications, the food, the doctor's visits, everything.
How many patients are inside right now currently?
Right now we are treating around 7 patients.
Around 7 patients. So over here in this facility at Don Bosco School Park Circus, within these premises, is the COVID facility with 30 beds right now. 7 patients are being catered to over here. As we can see over here, it is a restricted area, contaminated zone in area ahead. Hence, we will not be able to venture in. But this comes at a time when the COVID crisis is looming large, and throughout the country there is a huge demand for medication and beds, especially in metros. And over here in Kolkata, Don Bosco School Park Circus is the first private educational institution, rather school, where this kind of a facility has been initiated. With camera person Raktim, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Kolkata.